Cearcalor. So, seo ober dun gná level. Okay, so this is you have to get the all clear from myself before you do this. Okay, this is not for everyone, so I'll be sending this to directly to people. Okay, so this is gná level, ordinary level. So this is instead of doing the riafust. Okay, so seo blog. Okay, so it's a blog. It's the same subject. It's about Mo Scoil. Okay, so if we're hain Eve, blank is anam dum. Okay, Adam is anam dum mar hampla. Kuna sa tatu, Tom ag hintok. Tom ag frastal blank blank blank. Tom ag frastal Colashta Pobl Griffin. Colashta Pobl Griffin. Time sa blank blian. Tom sa dara blian. D-A-R-A. Tom sa dara blian. Is Malaman Scoil? No, ni Malaman Scoil. No Mo Scoil. Tá Mo Scoil sitje e. So cá will the Scoil sitje? Tá Scoil sitje e Laucán Balia Aha Clia. Laucán Balia Aha Clia. Check the spelling if you need to look it up. I'll leave a link there. There's a website you can check the spelling of place names. Okay, keep going to the next point. Dainam blank over day. Dainam 3 over day. I do 13 subjects. Dainam Kera over day. I do 14 subjects. Okay. Next point. Dainam and then listig over scoile an seo. So mar hampla Dainam Gaelga Mata Berla Tiroliocht Spanish Aline. Okay, so we want a nice big list of all your subjects as Gaelga. Next point is Bralum blank Martasha Simil. I love something because it is very interesting. So what subject would you say that about? Is Bralum star? Okay, you could say. It's whatever you like. It's Bralum Oliocht. Ní matlum blank Martashe Ladronach. I don't like something because it is boring. What don't you like? Okay, so put in the subject that you don't like because it's any subject you think is boring. And then Slán agus Bannacht. Goodbye and take care. Okay, so in write full sentences into your copy and do that for now. Okay, the next step is going to be to make that into a pic collage. Okay, but one step at a time. Okay, on a what? Slán.